On September 19, 1991, a couple of tourists hiking through the Italian Alps saw a frozen body lower off, completely buried in the ice. They initially thought it was they had discovered a remains of an unfortunate mountaineer, but later, after all the analysis, we got to know that it is called as Otzi the Iceman, who lived between 3100 to 3400 BC. And there is a lot of information about this guy is because his body was well preserved and it was from 5300 years ago. So this guy was actually died at the age of 45. He had 61 tattoos on his body, and he was 5.3 inches, and he had a brown eyes. So like I said, he was found on September 1991, and it was a 5300 years old. So it's a murder mystery which I'm going to talk about, a murder mystery of an ancient human who was killed at the age of 45, and because of the environment on the Italian Alps, his body was well preserved, and the researchers were able to get a lot of information about our ancient period. So it was later we got to know, as I said, is called as Otzi the Iceman, and he is actually the world famous mummy. So how he died? So it's a very famous murder mystery. Like I said, he was killed by someone 5300 years ago, and he actually got onto a fight, hand-to-hand combat. His hand was sliced with some kind of a knife 5300 years ago. Okay, and during this combat before this combat, not really sure, with the arrow which was found at his body, there was actually blood analysis done on this arrow, and it had blood of two different people. So he had actually shot two different guys. So he shot one guy, removed the arrow, and then he shot another guy with the same arrow. That's how cool this guy was. So he actually ended up escaping from his attackers initially, but later, as you all know, he died. Okay, because there was, again, I don't know whether it was the same attackers or different attackers attacked him after some time. So he actually got on to a fight again, and then during the second fight he actually died. So later what happened was it is said that he was shot in the back from an arrow while he was eating food. So they found food, some substance, something from goat in his stomach, and while he was having his food, there was an arrow shot at his back. So he was shot from back, and he actually did not die due to the arrow. They say that it was due to a brain injury, and could be because he got the arrow and then he fell and then hit his head on a rock and he died. Not sure about it. So this is actually a super exciting murder mystery, okay, of Otzi the Iceman, who was actually an ancient human. And they say that Brad Pitt has a tattoo of this guy on his arm, and that's the story about Otzi the Iceman, the ancient Otzi the Iceman, the world famous mummy. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please do comment, click on the like button, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.